In this little quick episode I will be fixing this little elaboration board. So I'm trying to find the error on this little elaboration board I got here. And it is a weird error with the pulse generator down here. So I took it apart and I switched it around to see a ton of weird logic behind it. So I kind of sketched it out on the board, how the pulse generation works. And I found a lot of this small little tantalum. One of them was bad. So I have switched all of them out to electrolytics. And then I went to the power supply, which also had a few of those tantalums on top of there. So I switched them out also. And then I turned it on to check all the voltage, and it's missing the positive 12 volts. So turned it around to see that you can see some blackness on the board, on the actual soldering. And it is a small little, what should I say? It is one of these small little diode rectifiers, which goes to the 12 volt LM317. So I also noticed it was very, very warm when I touched it. So I'm guessing that one is bad. Either that or the LM320, because it doesn't receive any power out. So I'm thinking that one is shorted. So I'm gonna switch that one out also and see if I can get the pulse generation working. Good times with electronics. The total amount of failed components of this thing. You will be remembered. Also on this board I made a decision to add the two Arduinos, so I can use them with this and all the inputs and everything, and it's just quick and easy, nice. Why I have two Arduinos is basically because when I'm done with the project and I'm moving this little Atmel 328 over to the project, I'm left with an empty board. And if I just put in one new circuit, it won't work. So I have to program it with the Arduino bootloader for it to be able to communicate with the computer again. And that's why I have two boards, so I can program the new with the old one. So, little tip there, all you Arduinos people. Nice, done, and it works.